Have you ever needed to count the number of blank cells in a large dataset without having to manually go through each one? Let's take a look at how to do that. We have a fictitious dataset of customers that contains their contact information and order history. If we need to set up a count to keep track of the number of missing phone numbers, we can use the COUNTBLANK function on the phone number column in column I. If you want to count the number of phone numbers instead of counting the blanks, you can use the COUNTA function. To learn how to do this, check out the card on the top right hand corner of the screen for a video with a full explanation on how to use the COUNTA function. In cell B1, if we type equals COUNTBLANK, open brackets, and then select all the phone number data in column I, once you press enter, you will see that we are missing 2 phone numbers. If we add one of the missing phone numbers, we can see that the count in B1 will automatically be updated to 1. If you want to learn about all 6 count functions in Google Sheets, click on the card on the top right hand corner of the screen now. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe by hitting the Tip Bytes logo on the left hand side of the screen. We release new content daily. For other helpful videos, check out the suggestions on the right hand side of the screen.